Let's see what these guys are doing. Hold on.
Before one light wave finishes, the next one starts.
You gotta do for the family.
Whip that shit! Oh, man. Alright, let's go. We gotta get going. Look at that fire. We're heading to right now we're heading to Blythe, right in front of Morongo. If you guys are trying to go to Morongo, forget it. Not this weekend. Continue this road trip. It's Friday. Got to go to Blythe, Joshua Tree, Palm Desert. Check it out. So here we are in Blythe, California. Nobody available to come do this job, so here we are, Friday morning. From here we head to Joshua Tree to deliver this bed. So we'll show you guys that. That's a little bit more exciting. It's hot already. It's like 80 and it's only 8:30. Here we're replacing these motors right here. One of the most common problems on these Jazzy power chairs is the motors. Trash and debris and hair just like this gets sucked into the bearing on the transaxle side, because you have the motor, then you have the little transmission here. And what happens is all the trash and debris and hair and dog hair gets sucked up inside of this bearing mechanism, and it starts making bad noises. It starts working hard enough to where the batteries just don't hold the charge anymore. So we're replacing the motors and the batteries. That's it. New motors, new batteries. Start it up. We're good to go. Those are the old motors right here. Bad. Let's get this chair returned and head to Joshua Tree. Check it out, perros. Finally reached Joshua Tree, man.
It's hotter than ass cheeks out here, dog.
Fucking hot and ghetto. How hot is it? No, it's not that hot.
Nah, it's like 90 something.
Still, we're in a slingshot. Yeah, where's this fool going? Where's this fool going, man, with this fucking plaid shirt? You can really see the fire from here.
Yeah?
Look at it.
Oh, yeah. It's all good, man.
I wonder if we're going to be able to go down because we came in the backside.
That's what I say. You good, my boy? Are you good, my boy?
Hey, fool, let me get that last little bit of peel. And we made it to our stop in Joshua Tree. On the way back, we're going to stop at this little Joshua Tree store. We stopped at that little Joshua Tree gift shop. It's pretty empty. Let's go check out the front over there. There's like a place to eat in there. It smells good. I saw this from afar. I was over there walking. I saw Crochet Museum. No parking, resident only. Look at that. What is this place? It's crazy. I don't know if I should go in there. Look at that thing. Well, is it open? It says, please do not park in front. I don't know. There's nobody in there. I want to walk in there, but there's nobody else in there. I don't want to be the weirdo walking around in somebody's yard. Big fella already went into the truck. He said it's too hot for him. All right, we finished up here. If you guys want to know, off the main highway, Joshua Tree National Park entrance is like somewhere over there. There's a bunch of like little tourist stops along the way. From here, we head to Desert Hot Springs. Is it too hot for you out there? Over here is a nice clear skies, right? And then you look that way, bam! Look at that fire. Humongous fire. It smells. And we're driving right into it. And there's no way around it. It's only about 117 out here in Palm Desert. We're done. Now heading up to Banning. It is hot. Check out the fire from here. Let's see if you can see it. Oh my god. Man, it is burning.